AWIR has been instrumental in helping to make legislators aware of STEP Therapy Act. We've helped to get sponsors for that. We have in the past done a great deal of work with regards to DEXA or bone density. We have also been on the Hill to talk about equal pay for equal work. And recently, we have been on the Hill to talk about Medicare reimbursement. If we don't have adequate remuneration for the physicians, they quite honestly are not going to be able to keep the doors open to take good care of the patients. New issues will be coming up in 2025, and AWARE is heavily involved with the PBM, which are the pharmacy benefits managers that are managing us completely out of ability to take care of our patients and get medications, and we're heavily, heavily involved with that.